Expanding gym business in Bogota. Should I use AI somehow? Of course. If you're not using AI, I don't know. What are you doing? AI has to be a huge part of your business, man. Whether it's fulfillment, acquisition, whatever that is. Okay? AI has to be a huge part of your business. Maybe you can come on here and ask me a question. Selling introverted men, how to become a dangerous closer. Is that a decent niche? Sure. I mean, we got a lot to play around with that. We have a sales trainer that we're working on right now that's crushing it, but I would need to know like which segment of the market are you trying to target with that? Beginners, people who are like in other areas, because the thing about sales is, do you have a track record of you helping sales reps close or get into offers? Because that's what they really care about. Their personality, I mean, is a huge part of it. So maybe I don't know. I have no context here. All you guys who are asking questions in the comments, if you would like to come and join, the link to join is in the comments. It's in the comments right now. I'm building a remote cleaning business and want to use Instagram to actually get customers. What would you do to grow the page and get your first customers? Lucas, you got to turn on your device. You're backstage, Lucas. Turn on your device, turn on your audio, turn on your camera so I can see you and hear you. Building a remote cleaning business and want to use Instagram to actually get customers. What would you do to grow the page and get your first customers? Well, you are selling to the homeowner, right? You gotta know who your ideal customer is. Your ideal customer is someone who does not have time to clean their home, who does not have time to sort through vetting a good cleaner. So you have to make content for that person on why they should trust you. And then your brand is who they hire because they know, like, and trust you. That's how you make content. Akai, that's how you do content for a remote cleaning business. Okay. If you want help with that, we do the content for you. We tell you what to say, how to say it. We do the research, the ideation, the editing. We do it all. All you do is click record 1 to 2 hours a week. I'm posting the link for all you guys who are watching who have a skill or business that you would like to expand with social media and you're not sure if it's a good fit or you want to learn more about it, right? And see if we can actually do the content for you. I'm posting the link in the comments right now. Click the link, book a brand scan call. Let's see if it's a good fit. Let's see if it makes sense for you. Okay. Watching from San Antonio. Awesome.